Alright, here we go. I got the head torque down. Yeah. Lighten her up here. Hey, yeah, there we go. There's a pretty block there for you. Got all the bolts torqued down. Number 11 has some high temp RVT silicone sealer, as it calls for. And they're all torqued down 110 pounds, except for number 11 is only 100 pounds. And I was torquing it going along, and I set it up for start torquing this one down at 110. And yeah, the extension for a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch drive, yeah, didn't hold up to what I needed it for. But by golly, luckily the reducer, as I don't have a 1/2 inch drive in a 5/8 spark plug socket or deep socket, so I had to use the reducer, and it was plenty tall enough. But anyways, I got that torqued down, and by golly, I can finally go do some other stuff here. I'm not sure. I know I got to put in the lifters, rods, and all that, and I've got these parts here soaking. They're the rockers, or I think that's what they're called. They rock back and forth, I guess. I don't know. I know these are the... But anyways, these set on here, and then I have to make sure that they're straight when they're laying down like this. They can't be jacked up like this or like that. They have to be straight with this here. So that's going to be a lot of fun and games to do all that. But to make sure these are straight up and down. These all look good. There's no damaged ones or nothing. Got them soaking in diesel to clean. And then I have my pan bolts in here soaking and cleaning. My push rods are in here in an oil soaked rag to keep them from rusting. But anyways, that's what I'm kind of dinking around doing today. I'm really chomping at the bit to get up and do this photo shoot and camp out up in the mountains here by Mount St. Helens. I'm going to capture the Milky Way coming up over Mount St. Helens. Yep. Hopefully 2 or 3 different locations. At least for 2 with no moon, and then maybe a couple with a sliver of moon on either side of the weekend, Friday or Monday. But anywho's, hey, take care. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.